Good morning, Cougars. This is Mr. Martinez with the full student council officers on the final day of school, guys. Woohoo!
Yay!
Believe that we finally made it to day 180 out of 100.
180, let's go! Yay!
Listen, to celebrate day 180, we have a new flag. This flag comes to us from the Collins family. They sent this in. They recorded this on Memorial Weekend. This is planes that were in the sky from their exhaust.
So cool.
What did they make?
It's a cloud flag. That is something new.
That is something new for sure. Joya, for the final day of the 2020-2021 school year, lead us in the Pledge of Allegiance.
Place your right hand over your heart and begin. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Thank you, Joy, and a big shout out to the Collins family for sending us that awesome flag. What a great way to end the year. Today is Friday. It is June 11th. As I said, day 180 of the school year. We're expecting highs in the mid 80s. And we have the final culmination is today. Mrs. Shaheen's class will culminate this morning. So congratulations to them. And before we get started, guys, the Unity Fair family videos, how awesome were they all year?
So awesome.
They were great videos.
It was so great to learn about so many different cultures and countries and different places and traditions. It was really fun to watch.
Absolutely. And all those videos were edited by one family, and that is the Saux family. So a big shout out to Stephen and Lori Saux. Let's hear it for them.
Thank you.
They did a tremendous job on those videos all year long. Today is Friday, and it's Luca's day. So Luca, take over the screen, and let's hear your final Luca's Laudable laughs for the school year.
Yes, this is the very final Luca's Laudable laughs. And, well, because it was the final, this is the final week of school, the prompt for this week was for you guys to share what you are looking forward to in this summer break at this end of the 2021 school year. And so we have three responses today. This first one is from Hannah, and she says, "What I am most looking forward to at the end of the year is more fun things."
I mean, I don't know who couldn't look forward to fun things.
That sounds awesome. Great
job. I always look forward to fun things.
Summer is a perfect time for fun things for sure.
I know.
All right, what else we got there?
So here we have...
Never lets us down, this Isaiah. Here we go.
Isaiah, this is the last Isaiah submission. And he says, "I'm looking forward to completing second grade and starting the summer with some fun activities."
That is the theme so far of Luca's Laudable laughs this week is fun. F-U-N. Nice job.
I love fun. Fun is fun.
Now, this one was from Marlo. And so she drew what I think is a candy cane. I think at the bottom we have some stars for the American flag.
Yeah, I think it's American flag
ornament. So it looks to me like maybe Marlo is so excited for the upcoming holidays, like 4th of July and then the holiday season. And she just can't wait.
Or maybe she's like my wife and celebrates like half Christmas in July.
Oh, I've never done that before.
I think that might be it.
Thank you, Marlo. Thank you, Luca. Luca, you know, as we've been going through this whole week, we've been asking everybody about their favorite moments. What have been your favorite moments over the last year?
My favorite moment would probably be the holiday season thing that we did. Where you gave us all gifts.
It started snowing in my house.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
That was crazy.
I still have a gigantic hole up in the roof. So gotta get that fixed this summer. And then you have a second one?
I a
The giant
second
hole
one?
then. Show us the giant hole.
Oh, no, you don't want to see that giant hole.
We want to see the giant hole.
No, we're good. We're good.
Trust me, you don't want to see that hole.
We
Luca,
want to see it.
Just a boring hole.
It's
My
not
second
there.
favorite
It's not there.
might
Well,
actually
it's
be
there.
the first Friday that I was on the morning announcements, because I felt like that was super cool that I was able to meet you, Mr. Martinez, and all of these amazing student council officer members.
Awesome, Luca. Well, listen, we're going to have everybody now give their summer wishes and what their goal is for the summer. We're going to start with you, Luca. Take it away.
Okay, so my summer wish is that everyone, like you guys and everyone, just has a great summer and they have lots of fun things planned, and then when they start school next fall, they have a good year, have a good start to the year, and it will be a great school year next year in the fall. And
Any goals for the summer?
a goal, yeah. I wish to try to see my friends more often during summer, since we didn't really get to see a lot of friends during school because of the COVID time. So now, since more things are opening up, we get to see people more often.
That is a great goal for the summer, get
Fun.
together with friends. Thank you, Luca, for sharing. Bodhi, it's time for your summer wish.
Well, my summer wish is that like everyone, they just they have a great summer, and then like, you know, return back to like a sense of normalcy, like, you know, like traveling, spending time with family and friends, and, you know, everything.
Good. And any goals for the summer, Bodhi?
One goal is that I have is to keep in touch like virtually with some of my friends from Carpenter, because, you know, I moved, and then, you know, middle school is coming up, so.
Good. Keep in touch with those friends for sure, Bodhi. Thank you for sharing that. We're going to go to Elle. Elle, what's your summer wish for everybody?
I wish that everybody has a great summer, and I want to thank my fellow student council officers for supporting me all the way through. And I'd also like to thank Miss Greenlee for leading us through it all.
Thank you for acknowledging that. Mrs. Greenlee has done a tremendous job this year with student council.
Yes. Thank you, Miss Greenlee. We
Elle,
love you.
Yes, we do. Elle, do you have a goal for this summer?
My goal is to move up to advance to the next level in my swim team.
All right. Good luck with that. Okay, that's exciting. How about Jake? Jake, what's your summer wish for everybody?
My summer wish is like everybody else, that we can go back to normal and we can play with everybody and stuff.
Good. Do you have any goals for the summer, Jake?
And so that next year at school we can like actually do things at recess. Because for me, recess has been sitting around on a bench.
Yeah, it's been a rest area is what it is. Good. So any goals for the summer, Jake?
Yeah, my goal is to learn a complicated board game.
Okay. All right. That's a great goal for the summer, to learn a complicated board game. I love board games. How about?
I also wanted to ask quickly, can I go to the bathroom quickly?
Yeah, you go to the bathroom. Joya, why don't you share everybody with your summer wish?
Okay, so I wish that everyone has an amazing summer and can spend it with family and friends and people you love, because that makes me happy. And I also hope that everyone, even though it's so hot outside, can stay cool. Maybe have a pool, some ice cream, or I don't know, just drop a piece of ice down your shirt if you're really desperate. I'm not sure. And my goal for this summer is to have as much fun as possible and kind of relax and unwind before I dive headfirst into middle school.
Okay, that's a great goal for the summer. Thank you. And you know what, Joy? You didn't get to do your shout outs yet. Do you have any shout outs for
I did it. I'd like to give a shout out to everyone who voted for me because I have had so much fun with the announcements, and also everyone that has said hi to me at school because it really warms my heart. And also shout out to every teacher I've had. I've had Mrs. Lane, Miss Corona, and Miss Allen, and Miss Soto, and Mr. Glover, and Miss Greenlee, because you've all been so awesome, and I appreciate you so much. Thank you.
Very good. And Luca, did you get a chance to give any shout outs, Luca?
I don't remember. I don't think I did.
So do you have any real quick before we move on?
Yes, I also want to give a shout out to all of my friends at Carpenter, and also friends who have been at Carpenter, who I met at Carpenter, and then moved away or went to another school, and also all of my teachers and the staff members at Carpenter who have helped me throughout my school career here. And I also want to give a shout out to my brother Aiden in the 3rd grade, Mrs. Soto's class.
Okay, awesome. Thank you so much for that, Luca.
Me and Aiden are actually in the same class.
Awesome. Guys, listen, the great Martini is going to do one final magic.
Yes, I love the Great Martini.
I'm going to say, on the count of 3, I'm going to make a present arrive at your house. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, the Great Martini. Wow. All right.
Oh my gosh.
Whoa, look at this.
Okay, wait, don't open
Wow.
it. Did it work? Oh my God.
Wow.
Guys, listen, I cannot thank you all. You've been outstanding student council officers this entire year. You've all provided an important service to our school community. To thank you all, I wanted to get you something that will not require electricity. You do not need Wi-Fi, and you don't even need to be indoors to play with it. Everybody open up your present right now. Open it up. Tear it open. Oh my God. Oh.
Oh, frisbee.
Whoa.
Oh, frisbee.
Look at that. Yes. No
Tom.
electricity needed. That's a 175 gram disc that is a fun in your hand. All you need to do is find a friend this summer, find a parent. Elle, take your mom outside. She's an expert, and you guys will have a great, great time with those frisbees. So thank you on behalf of all students and our entire community, guys. Thank you so much.
Thank you. I love it.
Mr. Martinez.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
Couldn't tell. I think there's a message on the back for everybody's too.
That was my secret message. Yeah, you can read it later. All right, guys,
I
listen.
didn't see it, and then for mine, it kind of looks like it's just part of it, so it took me a while to find it.
Okay,
But
well,
it's there.
listen,
Thank you.
you all earned it. You've been tremendous this entire year, so thank you. Make sure you get outside this summer and play. Guys, we are running late on time, so we're going to go straight into the words of wisdom. So, boys and girls, and now it's time for the words of wisdom. Bodhi, take it away.
Okay. Summer vacation can be one of the most special times of life. Many of you will stay up later, sleep later, and spend more time with friends and travel to visit relatives.
Jake?
No school can mean a lot more freedom. The question is, what are you going to do with all that extra time and freedom? What choices are you going to make?
Some of the most important choices we will ever make in life, we make in summer vacation, because all that free time opens up so many more opportunities, good and bad.
This summer, start off by making a really smart choice. Choose some positive goals. Set a goal for the number of books you will read, or how often you write in your journal, or even how much exercise you will get, and try to have some fun doing it.
Start your summer vacation off on a positive note. Promise yourself that you'll make good use of your time, make wise choices, and say no to negative peer pressure right from the beginning.
And for the final time in the 2020-2021 school year, with something to think about, this is Mr. Martinez.
And Joya.
And Luca.
And Elle.
And Bodhi.
And Jake.
Make it a great day.
Or not.
Or not.
The choice is yours, guys.
Actually, it's not only in the 2020 school year. It's this is the last time forever because all of the names will be different next year.
You're absolutely correct. Thank you for pointing that out, Jake. Guys, thank you so much for serving on our student council this year again.
Thank you, Mr. Martinez.
You're welcome. Thank you, Mrs. Greenlee. Big shout out to her.
Honor.
Have a great final day of the school year, guys, and make sure you get outside and play with those Frisbees, all right?
Okay.
Bye. Thank you so much.
Bye.
Bye. Thank